if you operate a bank account for business purposes or for earning income. So two conditions. You have a bank account for purpose of doing business, buying and selling, or you have a bank account and the intention is to receive income into that bank account. Then you must provide a tax identification number. The reason is because government is interested in what you are doing. You're doing business. So the fact that you open the account in your personal name will not absolve you of tax obligation if you are using that account for business. Interestingly, this requirement is actually not new. It was introduced in 2019 through the Finance Act, and it took effect from the 13th of January 2020. So more than 5 years, we've already implemented this requirement. But remember when I started, I said that we're repealing all our old laws and writing new ones. But it doesn't mean that every single thing in those old tax laws had been bad and useless. Of course, there are things that are useful. One of it is this tax ID. So we just took it from the old law and put it in our new law. The second thing is that we also thought is an opportunity for us to harmonize tax identification and administration in Nigeria. How do I mean? As an individual, myself, my family and my work used to be in Lagos. So I have a tax identification number from Lagos State Internal Revenue Service, LRS. If you run a small business in Nigeria and the taxman shows up and they say, Madam or Oga, you have not paid withholding tax, you have not paid VAT, you have not paid PAYE, you are owing government 5 million. First, you're even confused. What is even withholding tax? And to be honest, the vast majority of small business owners don't need to be finance persons to run their business. Neither do they have the resources to hire accountants or lawyers to defend them. So what happens in reality is that they either want to fight a fight they cannot win because somebody is there with the resources of the state, or maybe with even police and gun, right? So the other option is to beg, Oga, can you help me? And then usually you are given a personal account where you pay 2 or 3 million naira. Another one for the government to pay something smaller than that. And then they give you 6 months to breathe, and then they come back. So essentially, we've created a system where we are leaving the bulk of our people out there in the cold without protection. So this new tax law now provides for the office of the tax ombudsman, and help is just a call away. You don't even need to speak English. You don't need to write a memo. You can just call and speak your language, and then the tax ombud will then come to your support. Of course, it doesn't mean that if you are doing the wrong thing, the ombud will come and defend you. It's not about defending you at all costs. It's about protecting your rights and ensuring that there is justice and fairness, whether you're small or whether you're big.